If you look at this report, you will see that in 2026, the AI industry is estimated at 539.5 billion. I want you to look at the growth. So in 2023, it is estimated at 3,497.3 billion. Just imagine the growth. It is growing from 500 and something to 3,000. So overcomers, what does this mean to us? It means that there is still room. There is opening. And I want to start a new AI channel, and I want to walk you through how to start your own channel. If you don't yet have a channel, you don't have other streams of income, or maybe you have started different things and they have failed you, what I want to show you today is how you can build multiple streams of income. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So what I want to show you is to do something like this. So you are able to use just AI to be able to create channels like this. And when you create these channels, what do? You take these channels, right? You create different products, which I'm going to show you how to do. And then you take these products now, you sell them with your channel. So that is why in the previous video that I showed you, I was showing you how you can decide on what niche that you can start on. So remember, you are looking at the pain that you have gone through, any challenge that you have solved in your own life, right? Or any profession that you have. You've already done something. So those are the ways that you can decide on what specific channel that you want to start. And so because you already have that skill, you can create many different products with that skill. And so now when you create that product, how do you start selling that product? You need a kind of avenue to sell that product to people. And that's exactly what I want to show you today. So many times when I talk with people, they always complain that the reason why they are still having one source of income, they are depending on their job, is because they don't want to be on camera like this, right? But in the era in which we live, you don't need to be on camera. So this is an example. Look at this channel. Just, you can take your time, go there and check, and you'll be able to see how the channel is, right? So if you click here, let's go to the oldest video. Look at Overcomers. This channel started 4 months ago. And now, 4 months ago, the channel already has 87,000 subscribers. And if you look here, you'll see the number of videos. This is not all. If you take your time and look on YouTube, you'll see many different channels that are doing well because it is trending now. So just to show you another one, look at this other one. It is Bob Invest. The first one was Alice Invest. Now we are looking at Bob Invest. If you come here, you are going to see the channel. Let's go to the oldest video, and then you will see that this channel started 6 months ago. And look at something. Interestingly, they only have 37 videos, and then look at the growth. They already have 85,000 subscribers plus. And so this is just to tell you that this is working right now. And I'm going to be starting a new channel just like this, and I'll walk you through how I'm starting it. And then you can also see how the channel is doing. You can use it as a sign that you want to start something for your own self, right? So I'm going to put the channel in the description. When I post the first video, I'm going to put it in the description of this video so that you can check it out. When I talk with so many people, they have beautiful ideas, they want to start, but they don't know where to start. So the previous video that I showed you how to use ChatGPT to start like a business idea. Also, I'm going to put some prompts in the description or a template that can help you as you plan to grow your business long term. However, what we want to do today, you don't need any other thing. You just need to follow me step by step and do exactly what I'm doing, and you are going to also be able to start your channel like this. But if you want to do it as a business where you can build multiple streams of income, that is when you need all the other parts that I've already shown you, and which you are also going to see in the description. I'm going to link the video right here. Okay, so let's assume that you want to start creating a channel just like this. The first thing that I want you to do is to go to the channel like this. You don't need to copy people's videos, but you can come to the most popular video. This is the most popular video that they have on their channel. You can go ahead and click on this video, right? You don't need to watch their video. You can look at the title. Since it is already something that you understand, you can create your own video based on what they are showing. Also, you can look at many different videos. You can look at their styles and see what is making that video to be trending. Take your time and study it, right? Now, if you don't know much, you can just come and use AI. You can come here, go down, scroll down like this. You come to where you are going to see their transcript. It says show transcript. you can come here, right, and copy this transcript just like this. Copy the whole of this transcript. After you copy the transcript, you can take it to ChatGPT. You can look for other videos that have a similar idea, take their own transcript, and then tell ChatGPT to give you your own unique transcript. Okay, now that we have had our transcript, you can now bring it here, tell ChatGPT to write a script for you based on your own unique things that you have already shared with ChatGPT, and then ChatGPT is going to write a script for you. So now, I am going to be focusing this on my own niche that I want to start. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT to take ideas from that script. Based on what I have been sharing with ChatGPT, I want ChatGPT to write a script for me regarding trading psychology. But if you are focusing on that particular niche that we just copied, then you will tell ChatGPT to use that as an idea to now make your own script for you. So I'm just going to paste it here just because I'm showing you, and then I'm going to click enter. So ChatGPT is going to write a script based on who I am, based on the things that I've already shared regarding my channel. And for you to know that is a previous video that I already posted. I already showed you step by step how to do that. I don't want us to repeat it again. Now that we have our script, so look at what ChatGPT is saying, the overcomer mindset, because that's the name that I want to give my channel, right? Now, after that, ChatGPT is telling me why most traders never become profitable. So that's the idea that ChatGPT is giving me for me to use for that particular script. So look at ChatGPT has even added a scripture because my ChatGPT has been trained and it knows that I'm a Christian, right? So you can now just come and ask ChatGPT to provide prompts that you can use to generate images for this script. So because it's very long, right? You want to say maybe like 30, 40, 50. So let's go ahead and just say 40 prompts, right? So we'll put something like 40 prompts. Guess what will happen? ChatGPT is going to go ahead and is going to generate 40 prompts for you for this script. And so we are now going to take these prompts individually, step by step, and then copy each to create our images. But one thing that I want you to know also is that you need to create your avatar. You see those channels that we saw, they have some avatars. So let's go ahead and create our avatar. So what I'm going to do is that I will take my picture and then use it to create an AI avatar of myself so that I can use it for my channel. Because I want to use that channel for trading psychology. I already have a channel on trading. So this is just going to be on trading psychology. So I've given a picture here and I'll tell AI to. So I've put my picture here and I'm just going to tell AI to use this picture now to create an animated version, right? So you can use it, you can create any kind of thing. If you don't want to use your own picture, just tell AI to create anything for you. You can go to Pinterest, take a screenshot of any picture that you like, anything. You just use it to create anything that you want. So this is a version that AI has given me. I don't like this version because it looks still so much like me. I want something that looks more like a cartoon. Because I don't like the previous one, I'm just going to ask AI to make another one for me. So this is what AI has given us, and I like this one. It looks so beautiful. And I'm going to use this one as the base, as the foundation for my channel. So let's go ahead and download it. So I downloaded it and I went ahead and did another one. So these are the two versions that I have. I love all of them. They look so beautiful. It looks like me, my cartoon version. So this is it. It looks so good. So I'm going to use both of them as I create my images. So now that we have all of that, we have our 40 prompts. What I want you to do is to come now, take the first prompt, just copy it like this. Copy your first prompt. Now we are going to go to the next software that we are going to be using. So we are going to be using Grok AI. So go ahead and just search for Grok. I'm going to put the links down below. So when you have it like this, you come here where it says imagine. So you go ahead now and you take your image that you want to use, you drop it here. So when you put your image there, you write your prompt. Now I'm going to paste my prompt right here. The one thing that I want you to remember is that you want to make sure that you change this aspect ratio to make it wider. If you are making just like YouTube short videos or Instagram videos, then you make sure that you keep it on this one that is vertical. So we are going to be doing a long video for YouTube. So I'm going to put it 16:9. So now that I have that, I'm just going to go now and I'll click. So I have it on image because I want it to generate an image. So if I want it to make a video, I'm going to go on video. So if you go on video, you see it will give you do you want it 6 seconds or 10 seconds? So but now we are doing an image. So I'm going to put it where we have image, and I'm just going to go ahead and click enter. So what will happen is that Grok is now going to take that image and is going to generate an image for us based on that prompt. So look, she's so angry, like I don't know what has happened to her. So look at what AI has done. So let's go ahead and take the second one because I'm just showing you how to do it. So I'm going to now paste the second one, and then I'm going to go ahead and generate. So you just keep doing that, copying all your prompts, using the same image and generating it. If you want a change of clothes, you can tell ChatGPT to also make different kind of clothes, right? But it's going to keep your same avatar. Sometimes Grok also changes it. So this is the first image we created, and this is the second image we created. So there are so many charts. Maybe this person is studying, or I don't know, I've not read it. So it's saying that studying, trading books. So these are so many books that the person is studying, and then writing all these things. It's so good. It looks so real. Like, look at all the books here. So this is beautiful. Now you just have to download it, and then you continue and create all your other images. Now that you have it, in order for you to download it, you can just right click on it, and then it says save as. So then you go ahead and click it and save image. You decide where you want to save your images on your computer. So after you decide where you want to save it, you just go ahead and you do save as, and then I'll just say image 1, and then I'm just going to go ahead and save. Then I go to the next, I download it also, save as. I'm just going to put 2. I always do that until I get to my number 40. So when you have done all of that, now you can go to your video, and then you see how it is 10 seconds right here, or 60 seconds, whatever you want. You don't need to animate all of them, but if you want some action, you can animate some of them. So we are going to copy another prompt. I'll paste it here, the same thing, but now I'm going to take the video version, and I'm going to go ahead and create a video. So now we are creating a video. So you can decide to create videos or you create images. The more videos you have, the more interactive it's going to be. So now we have created a video. Look at what she's doing. She's touching all of that, and then she's doing something. It's so interesting what this AI can do. Now you have everything. You know how to do this. I'm going to go ahead now. I'll download again. I'll do the same thing. So I'm going to do save. So I'll go ahead and I'll download the video just like that. So I'll take the video and I'll put here where I have all these other videos. So the next thing that you have to do, remember, you have created your main character, you've created your images, you have some videos. Now we want to create the voice. In order for you to create a voice, you need to go to the script that you had generated. You copy your script. I'm just going to copy the script like this. So after you copy your script, you copy your entire script, you bring it to a place called 11 Lab. I'm going to put all the links down below to avoid any confusion so that you'll be able to easily see them. You come to 11 Lab, and I also have a step-by-step guide in the description box down below. If after you watch this video and you still have some questions, you don't understand some things, you can go ahead and go to the description box down below. You are going to see a full complete course that will also help you if you need extra help. So, and of course, you can always send us email, contact us. We are going to support you. So we go now, text to speech. You see where it is. And I'm going to go ahead and I'll paste my script right here. You can clone your voice and use your voice here, but in this case, we are going to use another voice. So you can come here to explore. You can decide if you want to use a male voice or a female voice. So you can test them. So let's try this and here. So let's go ahead and test this voice and see.
Are the ones who do.
So let's try it.
The people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do.
So take your time and listen to them. So let's go ahead and just take that. So that's the voice we are going to use. And now when you take it like this, there are different things that you can adjust. You can come here, change the speed, adjust different things. But let's just leave it like that. And now you come here and you generate. So when you generate, so it's going to generate the voice for us. So you need to listen to make sure that it matches the kind of vibes you want for your channel, because you want to consistently use the same voice for your channel. So people don't come and then today is a different voice, tomorrow is a different voice. So you want to keep the same voice. And also because many people have these voices, you can just tweak it a little bit, shift these things here, listen to it, and it's going to give you a perfect voice that you want. So now, listen.
Never become profitable. There is a trader I want to describe to you. Tell me if this sounds familiar. He wakes.
So that is how it is. So now what we are going to do, we are going to come here and then download it. So we have everything that we need now. So what I want you to do now is to go to CapCut. That's the easiest place. But I like to use Final Cut Pro. I'm going to use Final Cut Pro in this video, but I've shown you so many videos how to edit with CapCut, and I'm just going to link them or put them in the description. So now I've brought in all my images, right? So I'm now just going to go ahead and
watch these key levels closely tonight. This setup could move fast.
So one thing that I want you to know is that the images and the videos that you downloaded from Grok, they are going to have some kind of voice. So you just make sure that you come here and then you push them down because you don't need the voice, right? You need your own voice that you've made from 11 Lab. So now you are going to go ahead and go to 11 Lab. So now you are going to take the voice tool that you have downloaded from 11 Lab and then you bring it here. Make sure you put it under your scripts, right? So you put it now under your scripts here. And now you adjust it so that it matches your voice. All your images and your videos that you have created, you are now going to put the voice so that it matches like this.
Why most traders never become profitable. There is a trader I want to describe to you. Tell me if this sounds familiar. He wakes up before the market opens.
So you can see how it is. But now, since I want to use my own voice, I'll go ahead and generate another voice that is my voice, right? And then I'll put it now, and then I'll show you how it is. Now I'm going to put everything together. I've done my own voice just exactly as I've shown you. So let's listen. I realized making money wasn't the problem. 3 weeks, that's how long it took me to turn $1,500 into $8,300 one day. That's how long it took me to lose almost all of it. And as I stared at my account that day, I honestly thought about quitting trading forever. A few weeks earlier, I had been full of hope. I remember watching my account grow day after day. Not because I got lucky, not because I found some secret strategy, but because I was doing the simple things right. I was being patient. I was following my rules. I was protecting my... So that is it, overcomers. Now we have everything. You have to download it now and then go ahead and upload it to YouTube. I've already shown you another video here, how to start a new YouTube channel. So I'm also going to put this channel down below, just so that if you want to check it and then see the things that you can learn from that channel, you can go ahead. I'm just starting this channel as an experiment, and then I'm going to also show you, because we have other faceless channels that we've started. Now I want to bring you along and teach you exactly how to do this thing. Overcomers, don't miss out on this AI era. Start. And another thing that I want to show you. So this is what I've just asked ChatGPT to do. I've just taken this book that I have, right? And then I've also taken the image that we made and I've asked ChatGPT to make me to hold that image. You see what I've done? So now I'm holding this. I'll take this now and put on the banner of my product. I'll take this and put on the banner of my new YouTube channel. Now, this is a book I already created. It's called A Daily Paycheck. Now I'm going to put this book under the description of my videos. And now when people come and watch that video, guess what will happen? They are going to go down to the description and they are going to click and buy this book. So now as the channel grows, I'll start making AdSense and I'm already having sales from this book. So that is how you start making money from YouTube immediately when you start posting your first video. So you need to understand how to create a product, which I've already shown you in previous video. If you have any question, everything is going to be in the description box down below. And now, under the descriptions of this video, I'm going to put other products that I have. You see how you strategize. Before you start a channel, you already know exactly you want to solve a problem for somebody. And that's exactly how you start solving that problem. So you show something with a video, people need more. They need more solution. You can start booking one-on-one appointments with them. That is how you start getting sales calls. So overcomers, I have a complete course down below that is going to teach you all of this. If that's something that you want to go deeper into, Right now, I'm giving it for 70% off. Go ahead and check it down below. I'm going to see you in the next video that is going to show you how to create your new YouTube channel and then upload your video onto YouTube. I'm going to see you in that video. Love you all so much.